Easy to install and use. 5-pin on-off rocker switch with SPST design, single pole single throw, simple installation, freely turn on or off the light. Cool illuminated light. Built-in 2 premium LEDs emits soft light to illuminate the patterns, easy for you to find the switch in the dark. Sturdy and durable. Made of high-quality plastic and well-conductive pins, laser-etched pattern, not easy to fade away. Wide application. Available for controlling LED light bar, LED work lights, fog lamps, driving lights, headlights, tail lights, off-road lights, etc. The package included 1x 5-pin rocker switch, 1x jumper wire set, 1x diagrams. Beauty and fashion Nilight 5-pin rocker switch as a SPST designed, single pole single throw, on-off switch with illuminated LEDs. You can easily turn on or off the lights as you like. The surface cover is streamlined curved design with laser-etched patterns onto it. Built-in LED light emits soft light to light up the pattern when the switch is powered on. You can easily find the illuminated sign in a dark environment, no need to fumble for the switch in the dark anymore. Application. The switch fits into common square holder panel housing for most car, Jeep, 4x4, SUV, ATV, UTV, motorcycle, boat, Wrangler and other off-road vehicles. Rated at 20A 12 volts DC and 10A 24 volts DC, it is usually used together with wiring harness to control the LED light fixtures of many kinds of vehicles, such as LED light bar, LED work lights, fog lamps, driving lights, headlights, tail lights, off-road lights, etc. After sales service, 2 years and professional customer service. Any questions, please feel free to contact us. Top reviews from the United States. Works well. The switch works well and does the job as intended. The opening was too small and I had to use a Dremel tool to make room and then hot glue it into place on my 2021 Tacoma.